When hot or cold air is blowing through the vents on the dash, even though the climate control is turned off, chances are the heater box needs to be rebuilt. So today, we're going to take a look at how to do that. This heater box rebuild kit is from Detroit Muscle Industries, and I'll put that link in the description. Once you clean up your old box, you're ready to go. Every box is probably a bit different, but this one can be disassembled by drilling out these rivets and bending these tabs. The rivets are crowned, so sometimes it makes it easier to grind them flat before drilling them out. Once you have the box taken apart as much as you need, you can follow the directions that came with your kit for the exact part number you're working on. We'll wipe both of these door flaps down with lacquer thinner first before we spray the 3M77 adhesive and stick them on. And you can wait maybe 20 seconds for this to flash off a little bit and dry. And then go ahead and stick these on. There's also a foam piece that goes beneath the door so it doesn't slam shut. And instead of riveting these, I'm going to use some nuts and bolts, some smaller nuts and bolts, so that we don't crack this fiberglass when putting the rivets in. Here's a close-up shot of that door that we just finished. And a close-up of the cover. And here's a close-up shot of the other door. And these rubber strips just keep it from vibrating. It sits on this. After installing the rest of the gaskets, this is what it looks like. And this guy gets stuck to the bottom side of the cowl before this gets installed. I hope you enjoyed this video on rebuilding a heater box for a classic car. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.